The plant kingdom is full of fascinating species, many of which have adapted in the most bizarre ways to survive in their environments. From carnivorous plants to those with deceptive mimicry abilities, some plants push the boundaries of what we expect from the natural world. Here are the top 10 weirdest plants on Earth and their strange abilities that make them truly remarkable. 1. Venus flytrap, Dionea muscipula. Perhaps the most famous of carnivorous plants, the Venus flytrap snaps its jaws shut when unsuspecting insects land on its sensitive hairs. Once trapped, the plant secretes digestive enzymes to break down its prey, absorbing the nutrients to supplement the poor soil conditions in which it lives. This unique adaptation allows the plant to thrive in nutrient-poor environments. 2. Corpse flower, Amorphophallus titanum. The corpse flower is infamous for the foul, rotting odor it emits when it blooms. The smell is so pungent that it mimics decaying flesh, attracting pollinators like flies and beetles. Its enormous flower can reach heights of up to 10 feet, making it one of the largest and weirdest flowering plants on the planet. 3. Welwitschia, Welwitschia mirabilis. Native to the Namib Desert in Africa, Welwitschia is a bizarre plant that grows only 2 leaves throughout its lifetime. These leaves grow continuously, becoming ragged and long as they sprawl across the ground. The plant can live for thousands of years and survives on the minimal moisture provided by fog in its arid environment. 4. Pitcher plant, Nepenthes. The pitcher plant is another carnivorous species, but its method of catching prey is different. It has deep, cup-like structures filled with a sticky, digestive liquid. Insects are lured by the plant's nectar, but once they fall in, they can't escape the slippery walls and are slowly digested by the plant. Some species are even large enough to trap small animals like frogs and rodents. 5. Dancing plant, Desmodium gyrans. The dancing plant is famous for its ability to move in response to sound or light, appearing to dance. Its leaflets move in rhythmic motions, especially when exposed to high-frequency vibrations. This movement is thought to help the plant optimize light exposure, making it one of the few plants with visible, rapid movement. 6. Rafflesia arnoldii. Rafflesia arnoldii is known for producing the largest individual flower on Earth, which can span up to 3 feet in diameter. Much like the corpse flower, it emits a strong odor resembling decaying flesh to attract pollinators. The flower has no leaves, stems, or roots of its own, living as a parasite on the roots of certain trees. 7. Sensitive plant, Mimosa pudica. The sensitive plant reacts dramatically to touch, closing its leaves within seconds when disturbed. This rapid movement is thought to protect it from herbivores or environmental harm, as the folding leaves may make the plant look less appealing or cause a would-be predator to hesitate. 8. Ghost plant, Monotropa uniflora. The ghost plant is one of the strangest-looking plants, with a translucent, white appearance that makes it look otherworldly. Unlike most plants, it doesn't rely on photosynthesis. Instead, it absorbs nutrients from nearby fungi, which in turn obtain nutrients from surrounding trees. 9. Hydnora africana. This underground plant from southern Africa looks more like a creature from a horror movie than a plant. It emits a foul odor similar to feces to attract dung beetles and other insects. The flower opens beneath the soil, waiting for unsuspecting insects to crawl inside, where they become trapped until the plant is pollinated. 10. Waterwheel plant, Aldrovanda vesiculosa. The waterwheel plant is an aquatic, carnivorous plant that captures prey in a manner similar to the Venus flytrap. Its tiny, submerged traps snap shut in milliseconds when small aquatic creatures like water fleas swim near. It's one of the fastest moving plants, displaying rapid movement to capture prey in water environments. These extraordinary plants demonstrate just how diverse and peculiar the natural world can be. Each species has developed unique strategies to thrive in challenging environments, making them some of the weirdest and most fascinating organisms on the planet. Their abilities, whether it's hunting prey, mimicking other species, or surviving in extreme conditions, remind us of nature's endless creativity.